My name is Nick Pimlott. I am the training battalion chief with the CAL FIRE Amador Dorado Unit. So today we recently acquired a force box from Forcible Entry, and what we're doing is we're taking a lot of our senior leadership as far as our engineers and captains that are teaching our new firefighters and our returning firefighters. We're getting them through a really good train the trainer session with the Forcible Entry staff. Engineers, captains, and firefighters just getting really good information that they can pass on to their peers here in the unit. So in the Amador Dorado unit, we have 435 employees within the unit, and within that number, probably 390 of them are firefighter operational staff positions. So our goal is to get every single operational fire line qualified person through training on our prop and simulators we have here. Today we had inward swinging doors, outward swinging doors, commercial doors. What we're trying to do is centrally get training materials to a place where we can get our employees to, and then go through the evolutions to get them that, whether it's refresher training, that's something that they've been doing but haven't done it in a while, or it's completely new tactics and skills that they're getting out of it. But what we were missing is the ability to put it all in one place. And we've been piecemealing a lot of things. Our unit is we've been, CAL FIRE, CDS, been around for a long time. The facility we're at, homemade props, a lot of that, which is awesome, right, for the time period. But we didn't have anything that was all-in-one, all-inclusive. And right now, with the box that we picked up from Forcible Entry, we were able to get everything put into one prop where people show up, they can get all that stuff done and then drive away back to their stations or stay at the station here if they're from here. Our leadership in our unit has recently told us that we need to make sure we're really good at the fundamentals. And that's something that we're all very, very much on board with, because fire service as a whole has a lot of new employees. So really getting a solid fundamental skill set from all of our employees to build upon is what we want from the Amador Dorado Training Bureau. Is we want to set all of our firefighters up with really good fundamental building blocks, so then we can advance to more advanced skills. But if you don't have the fundamentals, you don't have the ability to build on that. During the winter and spring, we have our continued professional training for all of our permanent staff. They have to come through about a week-long training, everybody throughout the unit. We do about 4 weeks worth of that. And we want to incorporate this into our skills trainings that we have. And the skills can be whatever it is that we feel we need refreshers on, new skills that we want to introduce, or something that it's just, hey, this is different, we haven't done it in a while, one of those high risk, low frequency type of things. Hey, it's an easy spot, we can show up, we can put more people through more reps, because we can be on 3 different sides of this prop. We can get people through, we have all of the material, it's very easy for us to figure out what goes where. If I was to pick one thing that is the best thing about it, it's the ability to get people through and have the reps. Because we're looking for people to get the reps. If you just have a standalone door prop, it's a lot of resetting, a lot of reloading. So what we have here is the ability to get people through inward swinging door at the same time as we're doing a commercial bar, security bar. So all of those things are kind of compounding for us. That was made our decision, hey, we want, instead of piecemealing these things together, let's put it all together into one. And then we were able to get that and filled today as we're getting the entry level of figuring out what it is, how to use this, and hopefully from here on out, we're able to take that and spread it out to not just our own unit, but our neighbors and cooperators as well. So for me, the takeaway is the basic skills of forcing a door, getting in, because that's something that you don't want to have to think about. You want to be able to go in, fight fire, or make a rescue. Forcing a door should be a task that is almost you not really have to think about. So having the ability to do that here, and then teach that to new firefighters, returning firefighters, people that have been around for a long period of time, or just starting in the fire service is huge. Here in the foothills, there's not a large fire department that covers everything. Everybody has to help each other, because not everybody can do everything. It's resource limited out in both our service area of Amador and El Dorado County. So we like to train together, because we're going to be doing the same things together and being on the same playing field. Huge opportunity, as you said, this is a great opportunity to have barbecue out, having some hot dogs, and hanging out with the guys, and really just breaking bread and having that good relationship building while breaking stuff, which is exciting as a firefighter.